the good things you've done for me, Lord, I've never been the one to complain. Now I'm lost and I can't find my way. Words down my heart, it's breaking my heart. It helps to know that your heart is breaking too. When I cry, you cry. When I hurt, when I lost someone, it takes a piece of me too. When I open my face, you fill me with grace. It's not breaks my heart. With tears you are when I cry. Lord, in the dark, raising my hands, crying out to you. Lord, there's never been a time in my life, but there's so much to stay, there's so much to lose. But I trust to you, bring me through. It helps me to know that I'm not alone. When I cry, when I hurt, when I lost someone, it takes a piece of you too. When I hold my face, you fill me with grace. I miss your heart, you are like when I cry. You're the one who calmed the waves. You're the one who made the blind see. You look through all the heaven and eternity, and through it all you saw me. When I cry, when I hurt, when I love someone, takes a piece of you too. When I hold my face, you fill me with grace. Nothing breaks your heart, tears you want.